Hi guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called TubeMatic. Stay tuned. Now in this video, I'm going to be making a review and demo of how the TubeMatic works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on December 17th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to the TubeMatic when this goes live. Now to put this briefly, TubeMatic is a product from Demetris D-Papa, and this is one of the best YouTube marketing tool for affiliate marketers or advertisers who are always looking for ways to increase their return on investment, but this can be hard to do if you don't know how to effectively target your audience. Now with TubeMatic, this is a new tool that allows advertisers and marketing professionals to quickly find relevant ads on YouTube related to the products they want to promote. Now from banners to ad copy and landers, while also finding the videos you can actually advertise on without creating your own videos. Now be in front of your targeted potential buyers easily without doing any guesswork. Now by far this is the easiest and most affordable way for businesses, affiliates, or e-com store owners of all sizes and budgets to reach more customers with greater precision than ever before. Now I want to talk about the benefits of TubeMatic. Now Demetrius, who's the creator of this program, created a solution to this. He made this easy for anyone running YouTube video ads or Google Display Network campaigns by providing access to hundreds of highly relevant and popular monetized YouTube videos in one convenient place. Now with the tool inside of the TubeMatic, you'll spend less time searching through irrelevant content and more time creating targeted ad campaigns that deliver real results. And together with easy step-by-step training on maximizing results as an affiliate marketer, promoting other people's offers for high return on investments easily. Now while building a targeted list that's very easy to earn. Now with his exact blueprint, which will help you drive unlimited targeted buyer traffic to your websites, offers, and e-com stores. Now this is powerful software to uncover top converting ads, top converting content, and best converting landing pages to copy from and implement. Now with the done for you page templates to use to quickly driving this new buyer traffic, the full video training modules, over the shoulder step-by-step instructions with real case studies inside of the TubeMatic, which is generated him at over 200 in commissions. Now to make money as an affiliate using YouTube ads for beginners using marketplace like Clickbank, WarriorPlus, or JvZoo, you can actually go ahead and go to WarriorPlus and JvZoo and start promoting your offers using those marketplace. And also it's got the automated system in driving buyers daily using the 3 steps shown inside of TubeMatic training area. Now I'm gonna be showing you a demo of the TubeMatic, and you're gonna see how this works. Now this is a demo by Demetris D-Papa.
Hi and welcome to TubeMatic demo. In this demo we're going to show you how TubeMatic works, how it's going to be helping you generate leads, generate sales from spying on your competition, seeing what's working on the platform YouTube. Basically we're going to be uncovering winning ads with banners and details about those channels running more ads, landing pages, and ideas to get started with your own campaigns so you can target videos that you can promote on without even creating your own videos. So this is what TubeMatic is, together with the training, the step-by-step process of being an affiliate or selling online through the strategies and blueprint that we're using to generate us commissions on a day-to-day basis on Clickbank, WarriorPlus, JvZoo, any major affiliate network, basically. This is perfect for any affiliate marketer, blogger, business owner, somebody that wants to drive traffic with YouTube ads. This is perfect for you. So let's get started. Basically, what we're going to be able to do is come and find who's running ads based on specific keywords. So let's say we wanted to promote a specific offer that's on Clickbank. And let's say I wanted to do maybe, I don't know, diabetes. And let's see what kind of results we get. Okay, so we're seeing that these are ads that are running right now. And we can see the details on the banner used, the actual landers, and something that really pops out for me is when I notice that somebody's promoting some kind of Clickbank offer. So let's proceed to a little bit more. I'm just going through some of these so you can see how this works. So I think this one right here might be something that is a Clickbank offer. If I click on it, I'll be able to see the actual landing page. So this is a Clickbank offer. If I click on to click more or learn more, it will take me over to the affiliate offer. And basically, once somebody buys, and I'm trying to find, this is an affiliate offer, 100%. Okay, so I just saw the whole funnel from this ad that's been running. Now, I'm going to get some more information about this channel. I'm going to see, when it was published, how long ago. I can find more ads linking to this if I wanted to. I can find more ads on this channel. The link of the video and the video description if it's available and everything. Okay, so you basically have everything at hand right off here. So we can then basically export this to an Excel where we can use this information for our campaigns that we're going to be building, or once we're building our campaigns, we're going to be able to see more stuff. So it's all based on, you can see all these are ads running from that same domain, which is perfect because we now see what the competition is doing. Very important. We got the banner that we can use. We got, or replicate. We got the offer. We got the funnel. Everything is available for us to go out and build our campaigns based on what's working right now. So in our ads placements section, what we're going to be able to do is put maybe the word Clickbank, and then I'm going to be able to find all the channels that contain Clickbank as something that you can find information from. Now this is going to be helpful because what we can do is then take these channels. If I choose all these channels that contain the word Clickbank, then I can export these into a CSV file where I'm going to be able to copy these links and add them in my ad campaigns so I can target specific channels instantly using our software. Now, usually to get this information, you need to go and choose one of each one manually on the Google Ads form. But here we're giving you the choice of just throwing it inside the Google campaigns that you're going to be creating on Google Ads or YouTube Ads. Another great option that we have, but this is a part of an upsell, is our Google Ad Spy tool. Again, we can come here and put like a keyword based on the product that we're promoting, and we can search if there's anything online on Google that has to do with the ads. So we're revealing those ads. This is part of an upsell, just letting you know. You'll be able to go ahead and save the information channels that you have, so you can always keep them around. And you can also save your ads that you're going to find inside our software. Another great feature that we have, which is part of Upsell 1, is our custom search. So for this, we'll put like diabetes campaign. And if I put like diabetes and click, it's gonna go out and search 24/7 for new ads that are being placed. So you'll always be ahead of your competition when an ad is being you know, is being created. Okay, so every time with this keyword right here, it will bring you new ads every day. Okay, the latest ads that have been placed online. Okay, so if there's a new ad based on the keywords that you're having, it's going to show up in this section right here with the custom searches. This is part of Upsell One, and it's going to help automate your searching process. So you can just come in, check out if there's any new ads, and it's going to be working for you all the time. And you can fix multiple ones, and then you can come in and start going through the information that you're getting here. Okay, so this is really powerful because it automates everything that you're trying to do with Google Ads. You get targeted ads that you can create ads on, videos that you don't even need to create. You just find the links, put them inside the Google Ads, send your traffic to your own landing pages, and use what you're getting from all the details that we're giving you here, from banners, from icons, from the sales pages, from the display, everything. All the details are here for you to use for your campaigns. This means high ROI, finding the right people, the right buyers, leads, the right offers, and we're giving you a lot more with our training, step over the shoulders that I'm taking you step by step on how to build a real campaign, promoting offers and generating commissions. And I'm going to be focusing mostly on Clickbank. And because we know that newbies and people that want to get started want to make their lives easier through this process of promoting on Google Ads, which is huge. And you'll be able to generate commissions just like the ones that you're seeing here. And these were actually performed from using the same method and ads that I've run on Google Ads, which is all talked about inside the training course as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope you join us for this amazing launch for TubeMatic on the 17th of December at 11 a.m. Eastern. Talk to you there. Peace out.
Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. And if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up TubeMatic, this is going to go live on December 17th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then right over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when the countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page. That's where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, with these bonuses that I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be $37 in price. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out all the upgrades available for you to check onto my bonus page. Go ahead and click the link down below onto below this video. Then you can scroll down and you can find out more information about the upgrades of these products. As you can see here, this is the front end of the TubeMatic, and here is the upsell number 1, which is the Google Ad Spy and Plus done for you ads for $37. Here is upsell number 2 is the iSpy 24/7 for $27. TubeMatic for upsell number 3 is the done for you suite, is Pionage Pro for $67. And again, all the information are all available onto my bonus page here that you can feel free to check out. And here is the upsell number 4, which is the double agent agency for $97. So make sure to go ahead and check out all this amazing information and amazing upgrades for you to take advantage of. So once you pick up TubeMatic, it's going to help you with your online business, especially if you are running YouTube for your online business. If you're doing review videos like me, if you're doing anything that relates to YouTube, or better yet, if you have an e-commerce, could be any website, so that you can pretty much you can get access to this training. You're going to learn how this works, and you can utilize the cloud-based software. There's training available for you to watch inside of this program. You can get the template on getting buyer traffic through the YouTube ads. So remember, when you get if you don't have YouTube channel, as long as you have the Gmail account, you're gonna automatically get access to the YouTube channel. So sign into your Gmail, open up YouTube, then that's how you can pretty much get the YouTube account, because years ago Google acquired YouTube, and so pretty much they are all synced into your account as soon as you open your YouTube. So it's really easy to get YouTube account, and everyone is on YouTube trying to make money off from their affiliate offers. Could be your e-commerce, could be anything that you have, any niche that you're into. Make sure that you take advantage of the TubeMatic, because it's gonna help you get all the right tools and exact blueprint that's going to help you build your online business. You can get monetized with this traffic for your websites, because a lot of people have websites, they put it onto your YouTube channel. You can pretty much advertise your business on YouTube channel. You can do your e-commerce stores, your affiliate sales, but majority of the time it could work with the affiliate site. So if you do have an affiliate with Amazon, could be any stores that you are affiliate in, WarriorPlus, JvZoo, Clickbank, you can make a review video out of a product and then post it on YouTube channel, and you can use TubeMatic so you can get you can take advantage of the tools that you need to monetize your YouTube and connect it to your website and so on. So that brings me to the end of this video. Now, thank you so much for watching my TubeMatic review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure that you click the link below to purchase TubeMatic at a discounted price. And also, don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video, and make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.